Hello, this is Richard from Odoo. I am going to show you a quick video about our manufacturing app and how planning is done with it. So you jump into the manufacturing application. Once you enable work centers, you get a different little rectangle for each one. And for each station you have in your manufacturing process, you are going to have a workstation. And so essentially, you've enabled work centers, and that gives you the ability to create all the different work centers that you are utilizing right here. And you'll have all lists of them all here. So from there, you want to look at specifically the planning side of things. As you have these manufacturing orders open, there's going to be a deadline when it needs to start, when it's going to be scheduled, and also duration based on the routings that you specify. Each routing, of course, has the different assembly stations specified there. And so the more you have here, the more will appear in planning. Now we also have the planning menu item up top, which you can look by production to see by order what's going where and when, but you also have it by work center. This work center view will give you a list of all the different work centers and all the different manufacturing orders that are open with them, or work orders that are open with them. And you'll see you can adjust, move things around, and see where they're going to be depending on uh, when they need to be started by, the deadline completion as well. And this is just one way of viewing it. This is what we call the Gantt. We also have list view to see a little bit more information. We have calendar view, so you can see all the different what needs to be assembled and when, especially by time, if you want to move them around. You have a pivot if you want to get additional ways of viewing the same information and modifying the different what the x and y axes are producing in terms of information. And then, of course, you have the graph view if you need to. All these views in combination will allow you to really accurately plan what you're manufacturing and when, and who needs to work on what. Let me know if you have any other questions. My name is Richard at Odoo.